If you're seeing a Lucidchart page not found error, don't worry. In most cases, it's caused by a broken link, the wrong account, or a browser issue, and you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest steps to get back into your Lucidchart document. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. First, check the document URL carefully. A lot of 404 errors happen because of a small typo, a copied link that got cut off, or a shared link that's no longer valid. Click into the address bar and make sure the link is exactly the one generated by Lucidchart. If someone sent you the document, ask them whether the file was deleted, moved, or sent to the trash. If the document no longer exists, the link may return a page not found error even if the URL looks correct. Next, open Lucidchart in an Incognito or private browsing window. On Chrome or Edge, open an Incognito window. On Firefox or Safari, open a private window. Then go directly to the Lucid software website and sign in again. If the document opens in private mode, that's a strong sign the problem is coming from your normal browser session, saved cookies, or an extension that's interfering with Lucidchart. If Incognito works, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete it. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete it. In the Clear Browsing Data menu, select Cookies and Other Site Data, and cached images and files. Set the time range to all time, then clear the data and fully restart your browser. This refreshes your session and often fixes loading issues, broken document access, and incorrect page not found errors. Now let's check your browser extensions. Ad blockers, VPN extensions, privacy tools, and even some security add-ons can block Lucidchart scripts from loading properly. Open your browser's extension manager and temporarily disable anything that could interfere with site access. In Chrome, you can usually go to Chrome/extensions. After disabling them, refresh Lucidchart and see if the document loads correctly. If it does, re-enable your extensions one at a time until you find the one causing the issue. Another common cause is being signed into the wrong Lucidchart account. If you use more than one account, like a personal account and a work account, Lucidchart may show page not found if the document belongs to a different login. Log out completely, then sign back in using the exact email address that originally created or received the document. This is especially important if the document was shared with a team account or a workplace email. If you're still stuck, try opening the link from a different browser or device. Sometimes the issue is specific to one browser profile, one set of cookies, or one extension setup. Testing in another browser can help you confirm whether the problem is with the document itself or just your local browser environment. At this point, if the link works in another browser, but not your main one, you've narrowed it down to a session or browser conflict. If it doesn't work anywhere, then the file may have been deleted, moved, or the sharing permissions may have changed. In that case, you'll need to ask the document owner to resend the correct link or restore access. So to quickly recap, first verify the URL and document status, then test in incognito mode, clear cache and cookies, disable conflicting extensions, and make sure you're signed into the correct Lucidchart account. Those steps solve most page not found issues fast. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Lucidchart issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.